What's up, guys? It just got done raining really hard here, and I'm out walking around with the aftermath. Filipinos love to go out and play in the rain. You can see the street. All right. What's up, my man? You like the rain, huh? Yeah. Hey, what's up? How you doing? You all right, my man? All right. Thank you. How about you too? You got a... All right. You like the rain?
Yeah.
All right. Cools everything off, right? Hey, what's in your nose, man? What is that in your nose? Like a nose ring. Did that hurt?
Yes.
Did it hurt? Yeah? No? People just love, the kids love to come out and just play in the rain. They just do. Man, look down there. That's like flooded. I'm not gonna walk down there. That's probably at least knee deep, but you can see it. When it rains hard, real hard, water can't escape the streets quick enough. Just can't. And you get this washout like this, that can get in the gutters, and that could be a pain. Clog your gutters. I just heard some nice crack of lightning going on. Check out the trike coming down the road. Yes, I got my water slippers on. Check out the trike. Look at that. Can't escape. Look at these kids. All right, what's up, my man? All right, my friend. This is cranking too. If you had an inner tube, you could float down this thing. So I'm just out roaming the hood, seeing what's going on. Let me turn this truck. Don't splash me. All right, go yeah. Look at this. This is the streets here in our neighborhood, and you can see it's just flowing off of here. Everything goes downhill, right? So we live downhill, but you look down there, there are kids just playing in the rain. I've walked down there in the rain, and it gets deep, really deep. Where am I gonna walk? Let's walk this way. Coming up on a little park up here. We'll see if everybody's wet and wild from playing in the rain. It did quit raining. Yeah, I'm a pussy. I grabbed the umbrella. But that quick. Probably a good downpour for a good half hour. And this is the results. I don't know what they're doing here. Got his coconuts. What's up, guys? All right. Yeah. Hey, you dropped your chinilla, man. Oh, it's broken. Is that what you were doing? Nah, I'm good, my man. I'm good. No coconut. Wow, look at this water. Look at this. This is up by the park here where we live. You know what? I'm going to... How you like the rain? You like the rain? Where's your soap? You need a bar of soap.
Yeah.
Piligo. All right, I'm just gonna shoot down this way. Go for my walk in the rain. Oh, it's not raining, but my walk in the flood. Can we make it? Is it deep? Are we gonna drown?
No,
not that deep. All right, good. Hello. A lot of water, a lot of rain. Check out these trucks down here. It's not knee deep yet. But look at all your streets. All your streets are like this. Crazy. Hey, all right. Everybody loves it. Young, old, it don't matter. You never get tired of hanging out in the rain. Right here. About how deep it is. Up to my ankles, up to my cankles. Here comes a dude on a motorbike. He's coming through on the motorbike. I know somebody's gonna say, look at this dude here. Look at this dude. Hey, Grab's always out. I'm all right. Grab's always out. You're not gonna stop Grab. People are probably gonna say, yeah, that water's filthy. I'll take the chance. What's up, guys? Oh, you got your soap. You got your soap. You're doing illegal, right? Yeah. All right, here we go. You think these guys are ball players? He's on his bicycle cruising around. The water's just sitting here. Look at this, right up into their houses. Well, not really. Hey, what's up? All right. Hey, all right. What's up, guys? All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Well, you can see it's close. It's close. I think they're playing basketball up at the park earlier. That's where they're coming. Or that's where they've been. Let's put it that way. All right, sing it. Sing it. Sing. Who did that? They were singing a song earlier. Look at everybody. Everybody, and I got a train going. What's up?
How doing?
What's up, my man? You all right? All right. Hey, what's up? You're my girl. You're not my man. You're my girl. Or your boy? Your girl. All right. I know.
Hey, yo, can I shout out?
Yeah, give a shout out.
Shout out to my grandmother is dead now.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Just another street. Shout out. All right, go ahead, shout out.
Yeah.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's more fun. More wet in the Philippines.
Yeah.
More rain in the Philippines.
Hep, hep.
Hooray! 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 Philly, P-H-E-A-I-L-L-Y-I-N, in the Philippines. That's it. Oi! 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 Shout out, shout out.
Sa mama ko.
All right. Denny B, look around, Denny B. All right, Kuya. Grab, there goes Grab. This is the hub. Hey, are you vlogging me? All right. Oh, you're live. All right. I'm vlogging him. He's going live. And he's vlogging me on live. But wow, check it out. This is the trike line here. Look at this. Look at this trike line. You guys flooded out. A lot of rain. But you can still drive. No problem driving. Anybody going to do any fishing? Can we do some fishing? My name is Brian.
Brian,
yes.
Brian, my
all
friend.
right, my
Brian,
friend.
my
All
friend,
right.
Brian. All right.
What's up, my man?
Shout out.
All right. Well, all we need is a fishing.
Fishing.
We need to fish, right? What kind of fish? What kind of fish?
Tilapia.
Tilapia, of course.
Ligaya,
Plenty of tilapia, right?
Ligaya, Victoria.
Yeah. All right.
Victoria, isa lang.
Victoria. Yeah. Guys, you will see this every time it rains here. And if it rains real hard, sun's that way, but I'm walking this way. If it rains super hard here, everybody just goes out in the rain. Teenagers, of course, you're not going to find adults out in the rain, you know, except for me. But the kids, they just love to get out and play and splash around. Bing Bing's out here somewhere. First thing when it started raining, can I go? Can I? Yeah, go ahead. Have fun. But this is what they do during storms, like everywhere. You know, in the province, in the city, it doesn't matter where. They'll get out and they will play in the rain. It's just how it is. Just like that, the water stops flowing. Maybe been 10 minutes since I last turned on my camera, but as quick as it comes down, that's how quick it gets out. Like I said earlier, it's just too much rain. The drain system just can't handle it. When it's like a late rain coming down here, the drainage system here where we live can handle it. It's just that big downpour, it's too much water. You know what that's like. See places flood back in the States or wherever you're from. It's just the river and the creeks get so high, can't get it away quick enough. Same thing here. I don't know if I ever walked down this street or not. Who knows? I am now, right? But it does clean the roads off. Cleans the roads completely off. All right, let me show you this here. All right, remember, everything flows downhill. That's just the way it goes in life, right? Shit floats downstream. Check out this. This here, I don't even know how deep this is going to get, but this is at the end of the road. There are drains down here, but I guarantee you they're clogged. They get clogged with everything just coming down through, getting into the drains, and it cannot escape. So these homes here, they're lucky. Now that one there appears to be getting water in it, but this is always, I'm almost knee deep now. Oh, see, I gotta watch. I gotta stay on the road, because if I don't, I may fall in a hole. That truck there is backing up. I'm knee deep, and I'm knee deep here, all the way down through here. Bunch of kids down there. You don't want to come through here. Did it get in your house? Does it go in? The water go in into the house? You can see it. There's a fence right there, and you can see the water's up to that right there. There are a bunch of kids, but this gets like this every single time it rains in our area here. You're not coming through here in a car. You're not coming through here in a trike. You're not coming through here unless you're walking like me. Unless you're walking like me. People are going to say, hey, you shouldn't be out there. Well, you know what? I will go home and I will take a shower. I will wash off real good. I have no cuts on my feet, so I don't have to worry about cuts getting infected. Look at this guy. If this guy comes down through here, he's brave. He's brave, because this is deep and he's coming. If he comes through here, and even though he's in a truck, he's gonna back up. He sees it. Yep, everything runs downhill. You can see the water running right now. Yeah, he's backed up. He's smart. All right, I'm out of the water now. He said that was enough. Too much for him. I won't even go down through that way. I shoot up onto another street. I don't see anybody. You can hear it. But there's your drains. And it is draining. But you can see they're full. Can't take it away quick enough. Oh, here goes another grab guy. Yeah, I couldn't get a grab on Sunday when it rained. All right, grab. Hey, all right. You ain't gonna make it, buddy. It's this deep. Yeah. I saved the grab guy. Yet I couldn't get him to come out on a Sunday, this past Sunday. And it was raining. Anyways, guys, there it is. There's a fun walk through the neighborhood after it rained. Well, it was a little bit raining when I started my adventure. You've seen it. You've seen everybody out and about having a good old time. So it's part of fun living in the Philippines. So I don't understand, you know, to each their own. But this is what I like to do. I like getting out, interacting with the people, talking to the people, you know, to each their own. You want that condo life? Knock yourself out. You don't have to worry about anything when you're up in your condo, except for maybe an earthquake, right? To me, this is fun. This is what I enjoy. This is what makes me feel good, you know? Just being out, seeing the people. So, all right, guys, we shall talk to you later.